Well, there's a very rough profile grind. We'll clean it up on this and put in some bevels, I suppose. I totally messed this up, as you can see from this line right here, but and I should definitely scrap it and start all over again, but I'm not going to. Huh. It's time for the heat treat, and because I'm too lazy to start my coal fire, I'm just going to try and use the wood fire in here, see if we can't get it hot enough. Okay, file skates, looks like we've had a successful heat treat. However, I've forgotten to drill the holes in the back. The hole. So, back shouldn't be hardened, but we'll see. Let's give it a shot. Okay, right after glue up. This is why pins are useful. These kept sliding around, causing problems. We've got ourselves a real problem now, folks. This is the handle scale which I just glued on. Here's the handle distinctly missing a scale. I decided it would be a good idea to drill through to try and clear out excess epoxy, because the hole had been thrown off by the extra epoxy that had seeped into it, and yeah, it totally ripped the handle off the knife, and the handle, I don't know if you could see it in there, but the handle is torn, and you know, I can't just glue it back on now. Oh well. I don't know what I'm gonna do from here. I don't know if this knife is worth putting a new handle on with the already existing flaws, but that is disappointing. Alright, it's the next day. I've decided to actually go ahead and make another handle scale and fasten it on, but probably going to change this up a little bit. I'm going to use a steel rod and make a pin of sorts just a pin. Make a handle pin for this that I can put through, just keep it all together and solid. That ought to prevent the problem from happening again, because I won't be sticking a drill through this. Anyway, time to carve a new handle. That about wraps it up. Obviously this isn't perfect. There's weird nicks and lines, and the scratch marks aren't all aligned, and there's black spots and burn marks. I'll do better next time, but that's about as good as it gets for this one. Thanks for watching, y'all. And I barely got my workbench messy to boot.